welcome back to a new video. Today we are unboxing this Maona broadcast microphone kit. So it has microphone and stuff. So yeah, let's unbox it. Okay, handle it carefully. So as you open the box, you'll get a windshield thingy. You have to put this on the mic so you can stop the wind sounds. And this is the vibrator, so it stops the voice from vibrating around the room. So let's put this aside and open here. So this is the shock mount, and you have to mount this to the handle, and then you have to put the mic in there. So let's see this thing. Okay, let's put this aside. So this is the mount. You have to put this, you have to adjust this thing here. I'm gonna show you the test. Then I'm gonna show you a test. This is the thing you have to which makes the mic work. The shock mount. I don't know what is this thing. And this is the mic. So you have to put the mic, this thing on the logo should be on your side, because the voice thing, it's this side, and the voice cancelling, I think voice cancelling. Okay, and yeah, I'm gonna show you when it's ready. So I started using this microphone. It has a better quality, and you can adjust the height up and down. You can rotate it, and it's worth it by the price. So yeah, like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications to be the first to watch my videos. Peace.